Oh God, welcome back, broskies and sisters, to another reaction video, man. I remain your boy, the Mass Reactor, aka Ninja Gangster. And like I always say, oh wait, hold on, before I even say that, if this is your first time seeing my channel, you came at the right time. You did come at the right time because today we're reacting to what? Violence. Oh God. And like I always say though, on this part of YouTube, bro, we do not partake nor indulge in violence, but we definitely enjoy seeing violence, viewing violence, and reviewing violence. Oh God. Yeah, man. We didn't react to the Hunt Game show in a while where the violent is always like the violent content, you feel me? So we didn't react to this shit for like weeks now. So I'm back. I'm happy. I'm reacting to this shit. So if this is your first time here, you're welcome, and welcome to the violent side of YouTube. And please do not forget to subscribe and yeah, after subscribing, what do? You subscribe and then you click on the notification bell or icon so you get notified whenever I put up new videos on here. So y'all can go check it out. Check out my other content. We have loads of content on this shit. We have like the top 10 Africa. We have top 10 Nigeria. We have music reaction. We have what else do we have? Yeah, we have different types of reactions going on here. So yeah, man, I don't want to waste none of your time. Let's get straight into this video, man. This is the violent part of my content, and I love this shit. This is the Pop the Least Attractive Girls Balloon on the Hunt Game show. So let's get straight into it.
Welcome to the Hans Game Show, where we help two strangers find love. I remain your greatest host, Now Spirit.
Oh, if you're wondering what I have on, I have a robe on because it's cold as a motherfucker. It's still early. I woke up super early today so I can make this content and then I can go, do my normal 9 to 5 type shit. But it's cold as fuck, so I gotta stay warm.
Is it a match or it's not a match?
We just go skip. We just go
The
skip
balloon
the intro.
segment. You guys, you have been angry. You said, every time the girls will be standing, that we should bring in men. I listened and I've answered you guys. We have Odogus in the building! Okay, you guys know how this segment they go now, right? Okay, let's get it started. Single lady, review yourself. Come in.
I actually want to say this is dope because every episode that I've seen until now, it's usually the girls lining up and the guy and the single guy has to walk in and then the ladies start popping their balloon type shit. So this is the first time where it's gonna be the lady coming in and the guys have to pop their balloon. So I'm ready for this. Yeah. This is dope. Let's see.
Shut the door. Hi, please come. Here you go. Oh, it seems they're all feeling you because they haven't come.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
4 guys haven't popped their balloon, meaning that they're feeling you. Can you introduce yourself? What's your name on Instagram? Hold the mic
My
well.
name is Flawless Hope.
See, Mike,
underscore.
hold like this. All right, what's your name?
My name is Hope underscore.
Hope underscore.
No, Flawless Hope underscore. Hope.
Flawless Hope underscore. Oh, see, my introduce yourself. The camera, everybody's watching you out there.
Now the girls will know how it feels to be on the hot seat. I never see nothing. That's crazy, yo. I like this shit, bro. This is real violence right now. Let's go.
Okay. My
Don't
name
be
is
scared.
Hope underscore.
Continue.
Sorry, oh.
Tension. You know what's called tension? Tension will catch you on guard. You see? This is exactly what you ladies make these guys go through when they're on the hot seat. So much tension. God damn. Now she can't even speak. She I like Well, what did Emperor say? I love this game. It's crazy. Yo. Oh
It's fine.
no.
Breathe. I know your tests. Breathe. You're here to find love, Abby. You go find love, so breathe. Your name is what?
Flawless underscore hope underscore.
Okay. Florence underscore hope underscore. Right? How old are you?
24.
What do you do for a living?
Baking of cake.
Oh, you're a caterer.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. You see, when I don't go bust balloon, no say person wait day go feed you now. Your cake for your wedding are free. But anyways, come and stand close to me. We have to go and ask these men why did they pop their balloon. Are you ready to find out why they popped their balloon? Okay. Who do you want to start with first? Anyone. Who do you want to ask? Or should I choose for you?
The first one, so.
Who? That guy on white?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to him. Stay close to me here. Hello, sir. Please introduce your name. Stay close to me, baby. What's your name on Instagram, sir?
Badura Fumi is my name on Instagram.
Badura Fumi.
I popped my
Hold on,
balloon.
how old are you, sir? Sorry.
I'm 32 years old.
Oh, nice. And what do you do for a living?
I'm a crypto trader. I'm an investor, and I also do.
You
other
have money. You have money. Okay, why did you pop your balloon, sir?
The moment she walked in, her confidence is very low, and her shoe she be like Koroban, so maybe my spy. the touch, the way she take package,
Wait.
I'm just not.
The shoes. What is wrong with you, bro? Those
The
are
touch,
those are Nike Air Masses. No, those are Nike Air Masses. What you mean the shoe, bro? The shoe. Oh, why? This thing sometimes they piss me off, bro. Like, yeah.
the touch, the way she take package. The moment she walked
You know
in,
what?
her confidence is very low, and her shoe she be like Koroban, so maybe my spy.
Bro, those are Nike Air Max. What you mean? I mean, they wouldn't go with the gum she's wearing, okay, but nah, these are solid shoes, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. These shoes, they are solid. Those are nice shoes for real, for real. Yeah. A sneakerhead will know. What the fuck? Those are nice shoes, bro. Maybe they are not compatible with the dress. You know, should have been if she had on jeans, it would have been okay. If she had on jeans, yeah, but not like with a dress. It doesn't make sense.
Funny.
But the shoes
the
are
touch,
fire.
the way she take package, I'm just not feeling her.
At least my
Use your mic.
your bonbon is even bigger than mine.
Oh,
How? So I don't want to do a 360 for the camera.
how will I do it?
Exactly, don't do it.
360. I'm
Do
not
it,
I'm
your
not a
bo-
woman.
No. Men
Yeah.
also do 360 to show their
Don't
outfits.
do.
So how is his buttocks
Both will be
bigger?
getting
And
nice.
your jeans is even fade, so you don't.
Bro, what the? Did you do BBL? Because why is your ass looking like SpongeBob? It looks like SpongeBob's head. Yo, no way, this is real. No way, this is a real ass, bro. No way. Ain't no way. It looks like SpongeBob's head, bro. The surgeon fucked up your shit. No way.
Have anything
Okay,
to say.
just listen.
Saying I don't even have.
This is Diesel.
Diesel
jeans.
what?
Diesel jeans.
Let me help you.
Okay. You're
Oh,
talking
yeah,
about,
well, you're holding
and
the
you
mic
even
alone
you
shows
you
you don't
you
have
you even
confidence,
talking about my shoes. I think my shoes is even expensive than yourself. Cause walking with your shoes safe is even bent. Oh, do you want to remove it? Check.
No socks? You don't have a socks on? Oh my god, those shoes smell so bad now. I can perceive it from here. How you gonna? Oh, come on now. And you know Nigeria is usually warm and shit. And you have no socks on with your sneakers. Oh my god, bro. That's mad. That's mad. Hell nah, bro. Hell nah.
Check.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
You look real. Oh, that's Giuseppe Zanotti? Yeah, nah, don't play. You cannot there's no way you can compare Nike Air Max with Giuseppe Zanotti, man. That's crazy. If they are real, though, if they are real, then yeah. If they are not real, then they look real. I mean, yeah. I mean, if they are real, then yeah. Like, ain't no way.
Let's check. Oh, Mr. Forest Trader.
Gives them
Check
as a
it,
note,
check
see?
it,
Is
check
this serious?
it, check it with your fake chain. Let's have lighter. Let's bring it. Let's test it. If
Of
it is
course,
fake.
lighter. How do you use lighter to
You
test?
check if it is fake. It will turn black. Are you whining me?
Okay,
Come on,
I'll give you the
just
privilege
get
to
a
do
phone,
that.
abeg.
I'll give you the privilege to do whatever you want to do. Everything about
Just
it is expensive
accept,
and original.
accept.
What you want to do, I'll give you the privilege to do.
Kelvin,
No,
please.
you want to do. Listen, you remember that when
Bro, you don't have what
Can you
to
wait and
say.
I don't have to argue
don't have
an
what to
issue with
say.
people
You
that
don't
are
have
richer
what
than.
to
Take them.
Yes, so okay, hold on. People are saying Richard, and you're saying you have more money than this girl here, sir. You're looking at
Loaded.
her.
I'm always loaded.
Hey, are you saying you have more money than this man here?
I'm not saying I have more money than him, but like you
Sweet.
don't have manners. So
Okay, doesn't have manners.
people that are rich, you can't come out and be saying that you are rich.
I never said I'm rich.
That's what you have been saying. You said you are rich.
I'm loaded.
Loaded, that's what he said.
That's what
That
I
means
said.
you are rich.
She asked me a question, I responded.
So calm down. Let's not start on the rough patch. You said, sir, she can never be your spec.
No,
she
can
doesn't
never.
have confidence.
No.
When she came in, what did
And
you
her skin color is not even giving. Look at it. Come on, man. She should have wear something to
Sorry,
cover the
you don't
others,
have
all
what
that,
to
all
say,
that.
please. You don't have what to say.
It's all
You don't
written there.
have what to say. You don't have
What's
what
wrong
to
with her
say.
skin, sir? What's wrong
I
with her
don't
skin?
know. What's wrong with my skin?
Go and ask your
The
grandfather.
tattoos, I don't know who
Which
made
tattoo?
it.
But you have tattoos. Then why
who
you
made
judging
it for
my?
you? I don't even
You
know.
have tattoos.
Listen, can you
Why?
listen to me for a minute?
Bro, just
now?
shut the fuck up.
When you
Can
were
we move
talking,
on?
I was
Let-
listening to you.
I don't want to
I don't know
listen
who
to you
made that
because you are
tattoo.
saying trash.
Then the spot on her chest, she should have covered it with something. Her legs.
I'm confident.
Too many spots.
I'm confident
that's
in
not
myself.
confident. That's not, if you're confident, you should have done something
I
about
don't
it.
even know why you are pained. Cause you just look like someone that
Will you keep quiet?
It looks like what?
acne.
What's acne?
Acne. That
Yeah, I have no idea what acne means, but it just sounds funny, bro. Acne. Hey, next time someone say trash to me, I'll be like, you look like acne.
Musician.
yes, speedality.
Hospitality.
Yes.
Sir, do you want to take off your hat? Let's see how you
Low budget
Genti,
speedality.
Listen to me. Genti.
Your
We
bad head.
can never-
Oh, I see why you wear.
How long has that?
Nah, I hate when y'all do that shit, bro. I hate when y'all try to insult a guy's hairline. That's crazy.
How
Just put
long
it back.
has that thing been on your head?
Just put it back. Look at
What is natural when you're getting
you
old?
lack
you
one
say?
advice why you have your bad hair.
Man. Hey, yo, that's crazy. And what did bro say? Bro say that's what happens when you're getting old. That's
Put it back. Look at
What is natural when you're getting
you
old?
lack
you
one
say?
advice why you have your bad hair. Your front hair can't even grow. Your front hair refuse to grow. How can a man,
Wait,
grown
please
up
don't
man,
raise- don't
you
raise
think
that
you
hand
have
too much. Don't
money?
raise it too
What's your business with that? Raise it whenever I want.
Don't
The
raise
fuck?
it too much. The camera is seeing what it's not supposed to see.
So, okay. So, sir, you're saying that this woman is not kind of woman you can take home to your mother.
I wouldn't even dare.
Why? Your mom would not accept a lady like this?
She'll question me.
She'll question
And
you.
the questions is the questions I don't have answers to.
Okay, my baby girl, would your father or your mother accept someone like this?
I won't even follow him talk more of my father or my mother.
He's someone that is not even something to write home about.
Not even safe. Not like I can't even walk with you on the road. Talk more of following you home to go and see your mother.
So, do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
So that means you won't be walking with him on the road, you'll be riding with him.
I rather
bro, relax. Even if he has a car, bro, even if you have a car, you sometimes you still have to walk, man. What the fuck? What you No, Mirage, take time, man. Take time. You putting fuel in this shit. The fuck?
walk on with my bare foot and follow this man.
Why were you even coming to my car in the first place?
Did you bring car here?
So what car are you driving, sir?
I own a Toyota.
Toyota?
And, yeah, listen. Let me explain. Barely to you. I have a BMW. Okay? And I also have a Toyota Camry.
Car.
Cap. Okay, how much do you want?
Yes.
I don't know my words. Maybe you can explain better.
If you don't know your word, why do you think I will be with a woman
Then
who don't know her
worthless
words?
too. You're also worthless.
That's why I
a
cannot be
worthless
with
person
you.
can spot a worthless person.
Yeah, that's why I cannot be with you.
Then both of us are worthless.
No, I'm not worthless. That's why I
You
cannot
are
be with you
worthless.
because you.
I can't even be with you.
Okay, who are you?
So,
Okay, in few sentences, explain who you are.
I can't even explain anything to you. Sorry, can we move?
No, you're explaining it to
the men out here.
the men out here because I'm not the only one here.
It's like I'm following my
Will you keep quiet?
fellow
But-
boys
okay,
to
fellow
boys
lady.
to argue. So I don't want to talk to you.
What she talking? You don't talk to me again.
Your jeans is fake and you're just making mouth. Look at your when last
That's a Regina
Look
Diesel
at this
jeans.
guy's jeans. You can spot the
That's a Regina
Sorry.
Diesel jeans. They don't look shiny.
When you look at original things, you see. Look at this leather. Look at what
Come
you're
closer,
putting
so
on, and
don't-
you're here making mouth. You're not even supposed to
She
brag.
said like flashy
Look-
things as original. That's
Yeah,
what is
I-
in the thing.
yeah,
No, flashy
that's-
things is not
when you
original.
look at-
Let's even ask.
When someone looks
What's
at
the what
what-
of
Okay,
the
come
outfit?
touch it. I'll give you the privilege to touch this jeans.
Why will I touch it?
Oh yeah, it's okay.
fake
So let's
already,
ask.
so I can't touch it.
What's the what of your outfit, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got this from Miss K at
We know the place. How much?
40K.
40K.
For Dolce and Gabbana? Nah. Hell no. Oh, my battery is running low. Fuck shit. My battery is running low. I'm on before my PC go off midway. Let me give you some power. Let me give him belly. Yeah, Dolce and Gabbana dress for 40K. Nah, I don't nah.
Yes, my shoe can go to boutique and cheap. 50,000.
50,000.
I can't lie, my head is
Was that the
50K.
same shoe you said is more expensive than this shoe?
Your hair is 50,000.
15K.
15. Your bag is how
My
much?
bag is 40,000.
40,000.
Yes.
Wait, Nike Air Max 50K? I mean, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is possible depending on the shoe size. So you can get 50K though. Second hand maybe, I don't know, but yeah. But Nike Air Max, original Nike Air Max, unless they are on sale, like they do like a sale, yeah, but you won't get like a real Nike Air Max for 50K naira. That's not possible, bro.
Okay. So how much do you want to do a costing of your outfit?
150 euros.
150 euros.
Euros.
Okay.
My cake cost 350 euros.
Okay.
This one is a gift, 600 euros. This one is 400 euros. Giuseppe Zanotti, 700 euros. Diesel jeans, 350 euros. This is the cheapest thing I have here, 70 euros.
Your hat?
Yeah, okay, my hat is the cheapest,
Everything
40 euros.
is giving Okrika vibe. Everything is giving Okrika vibe.
Yeah, because you're putting on your
That
you
is
think everyone
what-
lives like
someone
you.
will, like you look for your man, you look expensive, but you're you look very cheap. Like everybody here, you are the cheapest. That is why
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
that is why I came to you first, because you look very cheap.
Yeah, because I bust the ballon
and
first.
you even dirty self, you dirty. These jeans, you need to go and pull it out. Don't wear it out again, okay?
Okay, it's fine.
Okay,
Next
sexy
time, don't
mama.
wear these jeans
You say sexy
out.
mama.
Okay, sexy mama with
Don't
black
wear
MP.
these
Thank you.
jeans outside. Is it jeans or what we like?
Korobans, thank you.
Yes, don't wear these korobans outside.
No, you be Korobans. You forget your name.
Come this way, come this way. Do you want, just stand close to me so the camera sees you, okay? Like this, good. Pass the mic to him, please. Introduce yourself, sir. What's your name?
My name is Phantom Mali. Phantom _ Mali
How old are you?
_
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 26.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software programmer.
Programmer.
And I'm also an Airbnb hoster who I have like 3 short-let apartments I'm managing now.
Good. Okay, so why did you pop your balloon for this gorgeous lady here?
Ah, God, The first turn off is she has a tattoo of tears in her eyes.
That means she has cried too much to God.
No, in America, this is an ex-convict.
This is not America, so
You understand? Then in Nigeria here, most people that I see with this kind of tattoo are all these Abiru boys, the guys that control bus stop that write marker in front of Korokwe and all those things. Yeah. So that kind of vibe. Immediately I saw no. This one will bust for my head.
She will bust What's boss on your head?
Break bottles from my head.
Bottle.
Thank God you know, say I feel.
So this kind of man, is this someone you want to follow home to mama?
I
What?
don't even want to talk to him.
Follow, look at the camera, please, as you're talking.
I don't want to talk to him, sorry.
Why? What does he look like in
He's
your
not
eyes?
even worth it.
He's worthless.
Yes, to me.
What? Looking at him, what?
You have tattoos and you are judging me. What? I don't understand.
He said your tattoos look like you've cried.
We all have different meaning.
Listen, it's different, right? It's okay if you have tattoos, bro, but it depends on where, like, on what part of your body you have the tattoos. You can have tattoos on your face, man. Even for guys, it's already too bad. But for a lady, a tattoo on your face, what are you trying to project, man? Come on now, are you a criminal? Even for guys, it's not even like advisable type shit. And you as a lady gonna have a tattoo on your face? Come on now. Nah, that's just a no-go. Nah, you can't do that, bro. You can't do that, bro.
Have meaning, might have meaning. So you can't just come to me and say, why did I have tears drop on my eyes? Do you know the meaning?
What?
You don't know the meaning.
Do you want to say the meaning or you're
I
good?
have my reasons of doing it, and it's private to me. It's
Okay.
personal reasons, so I can't tell you.
Come close, baby.
You can't just see me and say because I have tattoo.
Can I ask you a
can't see
question?
you and judge you by your look.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
Yes,
What?
Do you have mirror in your house?
I don't have
Like,
mirror.
do you have,
maybe
like, a standing
you
mirror
can
where you check
you
yourself?
can remove.
Why are
remove-
you saying?
Maybe you can
Because
remove the
I see-
television and hang
I
it
see-
so that I can see.
I see no reason why someone will dress like this. You know that your armpit is like mainland gutter. As black as they use water when they come out for idumota, their gutter. Then you dress and wear armless with your what is it called? What is this thing called? Stretch mark. Look at the way the stretch mark is like thunder strike. I see how mine to wear armless to come here and expose it
You
like.
don't have.
My ear they bleed. My ear they bleed. I've had too much shit. My ear they bleed, bro. What the fuck? Bro says stretch mark looks like thunder strikes. What? What? Oh no. Oh no, bro. Nah, y'all take it easy, man. You see, this is exactly what the ladies do to guys who come on this show. And this is why I can't feel sorry for the girls. Even though I feel sorry for her, because I just even like when the ladies, I don't want to be a hypocrite, right? When the ladies start going off script and just start saying trash just to insult the guy and attack the guy's personality and shit, I don't like it. You feel me? Because I'm like, nah, even if you want to criticize, there's what we call constructive criticism and shit. Even if you want to give violence and just insult someone, do it, in a modest way if you can. But now they're just going off script and just oh no, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Nos Mirage, you have to I don't know, man. I don't know, man. But it's crazy though.
What to say.
Like,
Because your shirt is fade too, and your knicker is it all
You see, the thing is, we guys, I don't know, but I think like we guys, right? To a certain degree, to a certain point, guys can take insult more, right? Like guys, we can absorb insult, right? Because most guys we have tough skin. We can accept trash. We can accept insult, from ladies, and we just chill out. It bounces off. But for ladies, they can't take it because it goes into it affects their mentality sometimes. If you insult a lady too much, bro, she would think about this for a long, long time, and that is why they said don't serve something you can't handle or something like that. I don't know how they put it, like don't deal the hand you can't deal, something like that. I don't know. This is the case right now, man. The guys could Some guys, I'm not saying every guy, because some it's not a yardstick now for the girls to start insulting the guy. I'm not saying it's okay for the ladies to insult the guys now, but to a certain point, to a certain degrees, we guys, we can take it, right? But the ladies, they can't take it. So I feel sorry for her. You feel me? Who knows what she's going to do after this? Because if you, because ladies, they think about this shit way too much. If you insult a lady, there's a way you insult a lady, bro. It stays in her mind for a long time, you know. So man, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. But hey, man, it's what we're here for. It's violence. Come on.
Those old school uniform that you wore since
Look at this,
20,
all these
20
trousers,
all those
Sunday school
uniform.
Spoke, bro. This is handmade.
I beg.
You
I know na for all those island boys. I
This
know
is
all of them.
handmade.
Island boys. I know as na take a package. So
So it looks like one of those boys that squats with somebody and he's packaging.
exactly. So
Stay this way. Stay this way. So, sir, she's someone you can never take home to mama.
God forbid bad thing.
There is God, oh.
Tofiakwa, Chukwajo.
So when she walks in, what did she look like to you?
I've already said she look like Agbiru. Assistant Solu Oma, what are you telling me? With canvas, see canvas. Jesus.
bro, like did you just open your teeth?
This thing is not sneakers.
Sorry,
This is
I
canvas.
just noticed something. Cameraman, please,
This is
can you
canvas.
just zoom? Open your teeth.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
And your teeth don't break.
Goat, like your this.
Sir, she said you're looking like a he
you
goat.
smoke too much.
That smoke.
Like your teeth, you need
Dettol.
or what's it
Go
called?
school
You can
now.
use Dettol
Go
to wash
school.
your teeth.
Dettol.
Bro,
Go
do
school.
you don't even have a girlfriend.
He doesn't have
We
that
even
idea.
talking about.
I'm here to
I'm
find
very
a
sure that your
girlfriend.
mouth will be smelling safe. I'm 100% sure that
I
your
want to go
mouth will
close
be.
and smell it.
God for. Do you want me to dare?
Armpit.
Oh, yeah, bring it,
The
bring
smell
it.
of armpit.
Bring it,
No.
bring
The
it,
smell
bring
of
it.
armpit is already
You
contaminating
have
your pet.
smoked, you have smoked like all your lips is white. You can't look at your mouth is white. So that is a red.
So you cannot follow him because you feel like he's a smoker.
Is the
Unassailable.
best turn off. Your mouth is white. So
you cannot kiss him outside.
God forbid. With your big earring,
who
like
won't kiss you with
drum.
your 1.5
Like you
teeth?
just have one drum like this and put the two on your ear.
Rich
Is
ones
it-
and
is it
cup
not
of
heavy?
tea, oh.
Your ear. Look at your two ear. And your
Wait a minute. Look at the one
Look at
that's
your
saying,
hair.
look at my ear. How many
Look at
earrings do you
yourself.
have in?
I'm a girl, so you can't compare yourself.
Oh, you're a girl.
LGBTQ. LGBTQ.
Come
Not talk. It's giving LGBTQ now, so you want to join me now?
No need to argue with you.
You want to join me
But
and
please,
guess how many years?
next time,
Bro,
you can
barb
consider,
your hair
you
when
can
you get
consider
home.
looking at
So,
the mirror.
barb your hair, you look
Before you
good when
come
you
out.
come next time. Your hair looks
So you're saying it
good.
doesn't look good, it looks tattered.
You look very
And you
tattered.
are carrying a
your
head that I've been
hair.
carrying for like 3 months. You go rub am, man.
You
You know what
look
they call
in
this?
the
edge control.
Your own.
Go use
your own,
soap,
you
the
know
designer,
barb
they
and
drop
see your
flower.
beard,
I know they barb.
See your
I know they
beard,
barb.
You look rough. See,
I don't
see
barb.
hair for chest and you dey talk.
I don't shave.
Barb your hair
I'm
for
living this
chest.
for like 1 year.
That is kind of dirtiness.
That's
Look at
my
hair on your
style.
chest.
That's
Look,
my style.
Bro, if you left your hair for 1 year and it stays like this, bro, I think you're having some deficiency problem, bro. How can you leave your hair for a whole year? No, cut it up, and it's still as short as this. That's crazy, bro. You need to go and see a doctor, bro. Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. Nah. This shit is funny, bro.
Style, bro.
I know.
What does it look like?
He look like ape, or is it ape, or what will I even put it safe?
He
Wait,
goat.
no.
He looks like Burna Boy.
He goat is even better.
See breasts like slippers. Jesus, I never see this
You
breast.
can't even body shame me
Jesus
with
Christ.
breast. At least it's better than your teeth. My breast is even
Your breast is pointing down. Oh. Your breast is looking at
your
your
teeth
shoe.
is brown. Is it?
Nah, see, nah, if you if you want to insult a lady and say like her titties are falling down, nah, that's not a legit insult. Nah, we not taking that one. Say something else, bruh. Say something else. How about your mom? Your mom's boobs still standing? The fuck?
Even more
Breast
than
is
brown.
looking at
Your
your
teeth is
shoe.
not that brown. So you look like someone that even used to work at the mortuary. So let's pass. I pass soon.
Please pass the mic to him, please. Please take this way. Stop. You have to stay the way I'm standing. See me, I'm not like this, okay? The mic has left you already, so let's hear you.
Okay, my name is Don Twizy, aka the Plantain Boy.
Plantain boy, okay. What do you do for a living? Use the mic.
Okay, I'm a CEO of Dofo Design. I'm into interior,
Nice.
painting and that. So
Nice. How old are you, sir?
I'm 32 years old.
32. Okay, why did you populate your balloon for this lady?
Can I ask a question first?
Yes, please.
Can you
Do it 360 for the camera, please.
Wow, is it real?
Go and ask your grandfather.
It's real.
Is your nyashri?
Wow.
Does it look fake?
What are the fronts?
Nothing is fake here.
Okay, the reason why I bought the balloon because the tattoo.
You don't like people with tattoo?
I don't like it. And they
Yes.
did too much stuff.
Too much.
So I know if you carry a person like this, go meet my mama. That just
Your mama would think that she's what?
was
Or you would think that she's what?
that's something Igbo people call akulakula.
Akulakula. What
Yes.
akulakula?
Akulakula mean Yoruba people call it olosho.
Olo.
The English people call them prostitute. I don't know whether if you use that language.
Okay.
Okay, so
Hey.
mama would just say I carry akulakula come house.
What does it look like to you? Is this
White money.
white money?
Yes.
Hey, I don't follow talk.
You will never know if you think you are into music, because look at what kind of dressing is this safe. I'm even talking about the rest. You your worst. You worst. Like you worst. You carry yellow hair, black joint, and which color of
Wine
is it?
glass.
Wine glass, red necklace, black. Me wey be girl sef, my belle still flat pass your own. You carry sit back.
Stand this
Camera,
close.
please
Stand close to
zoom,
me,
zoom,
stand
zoom,
close to me.
Bring your bag
Stand close
out.
to
You are
me.
saying,
No,
hey,
see, let me tell you something. See,
this
listen to me.
everything is
Normal,
giving
normal.
apart from head
Normal.
to toe.
See, let me tell you
It's
something.
giving
Calm down. I think they
pure
rush.
Igbo
Calm
boy,
down.
so
Let me
pure
yarn you.
Igbo boy.
Let me yarn you. Calm down. Let me yarn you. Are you calm down?
Now wait till you fit talk. I know if you calm down.
Okay, let me tell you something.
I know calm down.
Normal. No, you complain for my stomach, right? I be sugar daddy. You get, but you know you will be. You know
Sugar daddy, your sugar level is low.
I be sugar daddy, not jazz. Look at
Your
you.
sugar
No, she just said you are suffering from hypoglycemia. No, no, that's crazy, bro. Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's mad. You just set yourself up. Why would you mention sugar daddy, bro? That's mad. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In German, we call it hypoglycemie. She said you have hypoglycemie. That's crazy. Oh shit, your sugar level is low. Your sugar level is below 20 mmlo, or is it mmol?
level
Okay,
is
so 4 years.
color combination. You are giving it's giving color combination.
24
Yellow,
years. You be like my
yellow,
mama. No, God.
Yellow.
Use mic.
You be like my mama. I swear to
Yellow,
God. I don't
red,
think I go meet my mama.
green,
You
color
understand?
iron, rainbow. Oh, sorry, rainbow color. Mr. Rainbow, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Mr. Rainbow, I'm sorry. LGBTQ.
You can't take me
See.
to your mom because I have tattoo. Mister, you're even bleaching. Look at your hand. Look at your finger. Your finger is very dirty. Look at your finger. You want to talk. You don't.
Well, let me tell you something.
Shush,
I
shush,
don't feel date you. In fact, I don't feel to stop for road.
Hey, see
If
why
I ask you for a road, if I ask for I go jam you, say.
Bro, she don't finish this guy, bro. She don't finish this guy. Oh God, this will be, yeah. This would be the one that I will post. Oh fuck.
I swear, if I ask for road, I go jam for road.
See,
If I see for you, I go jam
change
you.
this bag before you go talk say you get
I
car.
don't fit change am. I don't think it's no me, not twist. I don't think it's no me
Get
be
car, but
this.
you see you with this your necklace, may you put for neck. Ta.
I swear, my
Does it look
sister.
like someone have car?
Ta.
Come close, please. Come close.
You don't even look like who get bicycle. Keke, you don't look like who
See, let me tell you something. They say Odogwu Aburo guy name, like Odogwu no be big name. Shey you get, I be Odogwu no be mouth.
Odogwu no
Just I no be mouth.
Regina
See, let me tell
husband. You don't see Regina husband come outside the
If I
chat
no
say
be
if you
fit marry you,
Odogwu.
put it there. I go
You
cover
wey
am.
be a yellow something, you no see your hair. You dey talk say you no fit marry me. People
I'm a
everybody go dey
celebrity,
talk
my
say
dad. I'm celebrity. What you be? Okay, what you be?
you be yeye pretty my
I be
dear.
celebrity.
Yeye pretty na you be so.
You know how much they make in a day? You know how much they make in a day?
Say you celebrity.
Do you know how much they make in a day?
Yeye
How much you
pretty.
making a day?
In TikTok, I make 1 million naira
TikTok.
a day.
In TikTok.
TikTok, I make.
What do you do, sir?
Huh?
In TikTok.
I don't know how you pronounce it.
In TikTok, you
I'm
make
a
how much
Muslim
a day?
left this one.
In TikTok.
I make 1 million naira a
You-
day.
A millionaire every day on TikTok? Nah, bro, that's not. I know people do that, but bro, if I don't think you make a millionaire on TikTok. Hell nah, bro.
Make $1 million, you look like you don't even get 5 naira.
No, we don't make noise. We don't make noise.
You
We don't make
see your
noise.
shoe. You escape dwarf, sef. You know what you escape
Rich
dwarf.
ones and come
You
up.
escape
I will
dwarf.
fit.
Pata
I will
pata.
fit.
See your
So not
shoe.
today,
And
yeah, I
they
will
use size
fit.
39. I make sure say they use size 35. Abi. 35.
This 43.
You the shoe. And
This
Shiramonta shoe. Na
This
it be-
43.
that
Not
her
the
shoe
joke.
wey she
Now
no dey
43.
remove.
Forget. I don't dey make noise.
Eze gburugburu.
I don't sit down. I don't fit. I don't fit. This way carry for back. She wear bum bum. She wear bum bum.
You want my I open my
You wear
hand
bum
come
bum.
outside.
You wear bum
See,
bum.
touch it. This thing I wear bum bum.
Man, touch it.
Yeah, this thing I wear bum bum.
Give you permission, touch.
Go on. All your hand.
She wear bum bum. Look at the way you go up. She wear bum bum.
You're saying they have gallop or what?
Let's say I'm not see.
Touch it now, touch it.
I feel that climb safe.
Child, no wear bomb.
She don't wear bum bum. But she
Now really,
she don't too sit down. She don't do bad thing.
I know sit down.
See the way it fly.
I know sit down.
Your people make their nyash dey normal. Your own dey like. See how your nyash be.
White
I don't
money.
fit. That shoes be
What?
that. And if I see for road, I don't even carry you.
Who even
I
know
don't
you?
fit. I don't get. I don't fit carry you.
Celebrity wey best anybody no know you. Yeah, pretty. Your bag, everything.
Don't twist,
Color
go and
riot.
check it.
Color riot.
It's okay. Okay.
Well,
it's okay.
the truth
You
is
dey
that
bleach.
the truth is that
You are bleaching.
the truth is that this
You
is
are
my work.
bleaching.
I mix paint.
You
get.
you
So I
mix
use hand
paint.
paint.
What
But
if
that's
concern
bad.
paint with knuckles?
Yeah, that person.
What if concern
I
paint?
use hand mix my paint.
You
Just
are
that.
bleaching.
Do I have knuckles? I don't think I have knuckles, right? Oh shit, my hands are ashy as fuck. My hands are ashy as fuck, bro. I don't set myself up. My hands are really ashy and dried. But I don't have knuckles, bro. Hell no. But my hands are ashy, yeah. I mean, I just woke up, bro. It's still early. What time is it? I woke up today, 6:30. It's 11 o'clock, bro. Yeah, fuck. Oh, man. This is funny, bro.
Yes, I use hand mix
You
my
dey
paint.
bleach,
But
yellow
the truth
hair.
is that man don't
Yellow
yam too
hair.
much. I no fit.
Adorikpon.
I no fit. I know my fit marry you. No,
Color
man
riot.
fit stop you for road. If you see seven,
You don't even reach my boyfriend.
for
Say,
road, no.
what for
You have a boyfriend and you are here. What the fuck are you doing here?
If I see step for road,
You not rich.
Because I know
You
say
You
it's
not
going
rich.
if I see for road,
You not
I go
rich.
ask you how
You not
much.
rich.
If I
You
see
not
for road, I go ask you how much.
How much do you think?
You know.
No, no, I said like how much I fit carry you
Use
go
that money
house.
to
Like, how fit carry you?
buy better necklace. This your thing.
What does the necklace look like to you?
All those people that used to work at herbalist, or it's giving herbalist vibe. So
Face the camera.
it's giving herbalist vibe. So,
So,
I don't.
Oga, she said you are giving herbalist vibe. You are bleached. You are under color riot. A lot of things is wrong with you. That's why she's not gonna go home with you, right? It's all right. No problem.
Actually, me myself, I no fit carry go house.
No problem.
One, she short.
She's short. Okay, so we are doing competition of
Because
shortness.
If I marry this guy, I swear to
Ambitious,
God.
Marcia,
See, you know what they call and then and all those
Dwarfs.
I be dwarf, but my legs
Now this
don't
shoe
pass
carry
your
up.
own.
Now this shoe
My
carry
own.
up.
Why you know where the one wey carry you up? You know
Okay, the shoes
carry
went
you
up.
Now this shoe make can go up.
Why you know where the one wey carry you up?
You go up.
You know where the one wey carry you
Your
go.
man, see how everybody wear normal flash. Why you know where I'm?
Why
Why you
go
know where
normal
flash?
flash? I be man.
I
I be man. You dey compare height with woman. See am.
That means nobody can ever go home without-
Red flag. You dey drag height with me. You know they shame.
Yeah.
Suppose they shame. They drag height with woman. You
Let me-
stand
let
with
me-
your
let me tell you
bleaching
something.
face, your yellow hair,
your height
your
reach you,
red,
they
your
hope.
red
I said that you know they
necklace,
hope.
your white and black polo.
Is it- are you saying it's giving masquerade vibes?
Is it? Jesus Christ. L and cake bag.
L and K.
It's giving.
You know how much they
Louis
sell this bag?
Vuitton.
See this girl.
Louis Vuitton L and K bag. L and K pass. Me say I pass you as you take pass me. I pass to the next person.
It's supposed to be L people.
The truth is that the truth is that this girl don't want anything.
So sorry, let me ask.
You know if you wear bra, you know you
Let
wear
me
bra.
ask.
I go wear bra.
As in like this, you look middle.
Sorry,
You know, yeah, look, now you look middle.
I
That's
dey
yourself.
confident.
How much is the worth of your bags and your L and K?
This bag.
Yes, sir.
That's the cheapest thing I have here. 10,000 naira.
Lori ron.
That's the only thing I have.
Lori
here.
ron.
So more they talk about money.
Lori ron.
I even have
How
money.
much is your
I have
necklace?
money.
Lori
You
ron.
have even have money inside your bag.
Let me see the money you have in your bag,
You
sir.
have money inside your bag. You know the joke. You have money inside
I
your
no
bag.
get fast. Get the one where.
And I still have more money inside my bag, inside my car. This new note. This new note. Can you see it?
This
And I still have more
you
money
be
inside.
really pretty. I even dey expect say you go bring like $100 come outside. Now 1,000 new one I go carry come outside. My own way even dirty self is still plenty past your own.
I see how more money there, but I just want to show you new money. I know you never see him. I just want to show you. See her money when they just give her for road. See her.
I withdraw it to.
Nah, the money where you use yesterday, that money where customer pay you. No lie, Joe. Come on there. Now money where customer pay you.
You not fit pay.
Now money where customer pay you.
At least
I don't fit pay you now, but I don't need you now. Where I want you?
Rainbow.
I beg you, let's just go and.
Sorry, what's the worth of your hair, sir?
Okay, this hair, as they see this hair. First of all, the wood that I use, I bought it. I bought each of the wood, but I used like 8. I bought each of the wood.
Hey God.
I bought each of the wood like 8,000 naira. And the person that make this hair collect 50k. No be joke.
Jesus.
No be joke.
Jesus.
No be joke.
How much you say? Oh, it's 15k. I mean, 15k for attachment. This one is 50.
No, this one is because I be guy. You also with the spend
Your
money.
hair is 50k. Me say all of now where they hair now so line and they like.
Face the camera.
Now one where they
This year where you see so, now 50k. No be joke. Man, show you the transaction. Just say my food don't off, that food don't off. I won't show you.
Like you from back way.
Alright, pass it. Okay, so audience judge it. If the hair is actually worth 50k, let us know. Come close a little bit, please. Come forward. Sir, please, why do you? Sir, why did you? What happened? What happened?
Sorry.
Face the camera now. Always face the camera, okay? Okay, come like this. Here. Introduce yourself, sir. Please use the mic.
My name is Uche.
Nice.
I'm a banker,
Nice.
a creator, and a dancer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm 25 years.
Okay. What do you do for a living? Banker and content creator and dancer. When time comes to dance, you go show us more style, all right? You're not gonna be shy. Okay, why did you pop your ballon for this lady here?
If you noticed, when she entered, I was still with my balloon. So, because I'm the kind of person that when a lady talks, I go more of the way they reason, like the way you reason, the way you accumulate things. So when she entered and for her to express herself, it was kind of taking too long. I was like, this kind of person, I don't cope with you. Let's say your brain they always they boot. So that kind of thing will be like giving me issues.
Error.
So like, okay, let me still leave. She was still moving, talking.
Use the mic.
So I said, let me still look at the body, the skin. If you look at the left side, it's darker. The right side is more lighter. So I was still looking at this thing. So I just have to hammer the balloon.
You have to hammer the balloon.
I even wanted to bust the remaining one that was.
So are you feeling him?
Pastor Chamber.
I might look like a pastor to you, but I'm not a pastor.
You're a pastor now.
I'm full of vibes. People that knows.
Okay. Vibes. With your punk or is it called? 2001.
This is Afro. This is not punk. This is Afro.
I don't know. It's punk to me. Your eye. You be like who know the shop for us. Your eye boy say. As you see your eye, so you be like who know the shop.
Even when she comes,
even
she coming in like this now.
Your shoe maybe like your shoe. You know they see your shoe.
This is Deborah. Yes, this is like this. This Debbie makeup shoe. So you don't know anything about
this shoe. They last for 50 years.
Look at it.
This shoe
so
they last for 50 years.
So
my great grandfather, they are all see there.
Someone like this, I can't even
Me and
like
you
like what he said.
You be pastor. That's why I said you're a pastor. I called you pastor.
Like what he said.
I said pastor.
She looks like a prostitute. Exactly. Just
like your mother at home.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
That's what defines her. That's what defines
Don't
her.
use prostitutes, okay?
Maybe your ex-girlfriend is a prostitute. That is how you identify a prostitute so quick.
I can
Apart from that, you don't have anything to tell me.
I can just like a dancer and come,
But I mean, it's actually stupid. I mean, it's crazy though, huh? Like the go-to insult for guys, for ladies, is just you are a prostitute, you be a losho. Like guys are just too quick to use this word. Like I mean it's crazy, man. Like what the fuck? Any small thing Olosho is giving the Olosho vibes. What the fuck? Doesn't make sense, man.
Look at you, like
why don't you dress like you are hungry?
not forget
Look
about.
at your ear. Look at your ear.
You
Your ear
don't
big
know
pass
where
for your
you don't know where to
body.
bring out points.
All
You don't know
your
what
neck,
you don't know
all
where
your
to bring
neck,
out points. The way
Your
she
face,
is like
your
this
face
now,
is
look,
bleach.
your
This side
stature
like
self,
this.
your stature
No,
is not
this
not
side-
balanced
this
at
side,
all.
Can you zoom?
Your stature is
Look
never
at your
balanced.
face,
Look
Pastor
at
Jemba.
yellow and black, yellow and black. Look at your leg
Look at
now.
your teeth. Oh,
Look at-
Jesus
look at your
Christ.
shoe.
Nothing
Look
can
at-
me pass dirty teeth for this life.
Look at the shoe
I
you're
fit
putting on. Look at your leg.
anything. This my shoe cost pass your
Look at
own.
your leg now. Look at black and yellow. Is it flag? Look at it now.
Angela, please.
This is your
I'm
skin.
sorry, please let me to zoom again.
If you're
you said
brown.
my leg is black. Look at your neck. Your neck is black. This side
I'm a
is
brownish person now. Look at my leg. Look at
But your
that's
face is
yellow.
bleach. Your
Look
face
at
is
it's
bleach.
still brown.
What you do here
It's
like
a brown. It's a brown
What you do
skin.
here?
I'm a brown skin person. Look at yellow and brown.
Brown
Look at your body. You are exposing body that is not clean.
Brown skin boy.
Your body is
You
not
raise
clean.
one leg of shoe
I'm
up,
trying to
make I
show
dey
you
see-
the skin.
see
Yes,
the
look at the
socks
skin.
wey you wear for
Look at this. How do
inside.
you know that it's dirty?
Cause it's showing. It be
It's
like
showing
wetin you
and
don
it's
wear
dirty
like
like
10
this.
years.
You don't have
Bro,
points. Look
go
at
and
your
eat at
body.
home
No,
before you talk to someone. Your neck.
I will
you dey
advise
sweat.
you.
You don't have any advice for me.
I'm a motivational speaker also. See, I can advise you.
Jesus. Look
See,
at your finger too. You
I
said
can advise
you. dey
you.
keep finger.
I can
And you know the
advise you.
cleaner. You dey
Next
keep
time
finger,
when you are
dey
going
cleaner.
out for a date, try to cover your body.
Date for
You
who?
move more.
You, if
Try
I
to
reach
cover your
the
body.
date, if I reach the date,
Cover
if I
your
not
body.
insult you finish, go ask make I there.
Even at the insult wey dey
If
insult
I
like
reach
this.
date, see you.
At the insult, you see your eyes like umbrella.
Just imagine.
See the person fix eye
Just
at glasses for you.
imagine
Be like umbrella.
all these people
You
no
no
dey.
fix am well.
I carry this energy come meet only you for date. You all don
Your
finish.
foot
You go
just is like
cry.
umbrella.
Cry me a river, now
Be
you
like
cry
umbrella.
once.
See your neck.
At least I carry umbrella for face my face. Your all don go inside. Anger. One keep person.
Your color no match at
One
all.
keep person.
Even look at the side of your
And
face.
the banker, all combination, all weather.
See your
Ah,
side,
so
don't tear.
Come.
See the side, see the side. Just pash everywhere. One man is gonna carry guy come up for you. You want to see that one for? You know how much this one cost? This is from Yomi Casual. When they are still at Cody Thomas. Only one is done.
You don't sweat for armpit finish. Na man feel black. Now you dey sweat for armpit. Open am.
So
Open am.
see this
Open your armpit.
outfit.
Open am.
Who I go
Open the
open for?
armpit.
Who are you open for? This outfit
you
go
don
buy
sweat
you, change
finish.
go still
Me
remain.
say you go get body odor be that.
This
Na me
outfit
fat
go
na
buy
you dey
you, go
sweat.
change go
Na
still
me
remain.
fat na you dey sweat. Na me fat na you dey sweat.
Open your armpit.
You go get body
You don't
odor.
advise make you carry am up. No
You
carry am
just
up.
you say
Carry am
advice
up.
you carry your own
Carry am up.
my own too come aside.
Carry
Go
your
see.
armpit up.
Why man go dey sweat for armpit? You know you
Uh-uh.
sure for house.
Say sweat.
You no get sure for
If
house.
you are human being and you are working and you sweat,
for house.
there's no how you
You
sweat.
no use Nivea for
You
house.
sweat. What?
Motivational
Shit bad because it's your skin. I don't
speaker.
want
Be
make you
wetin I wan
go-
call you. Agba motivational speaker.
I would like
Wey hungry
my
wan keep-
advice now
na-
make you next time just cover
See,
your body.
Next time,
Cover
if-
your
if-
body.
maybe you should go and
Cover your body.
write novel make you dey sell for under bridge. How to
I
become
know of novel.
how
I know
to
of
become
novel.
a billionaire at 40 and you are 50 and you are still poor.
What do you say you are doing again? What do you say you are doing again? You are a prostitute. What do you say?
No, she's a caterer.
This one go cook for a person to eat.
I no fit cook for you.
You go the way you are as
I
you
know
go
fit
pass.
pass
If
for
you get shop, you go look you like you go pass. Because
Chai.
the appearance alone
Chai.
is something.
It's okay.
You work with what we see now. Are you
Use the
whining
mic,
me?
use the mic.
The appearance is too.
Empty bed.
Bro, this guy looks like Juice WRLD. What the fuck? He looks like Juice WRLD. I mean, look, this guy looks like Juice WRLD, right? Even with okay, I think let me say it now first. I think this guy he does music, and his inspiration or his favorite artist is Juice WRLD. You will see.
Empty vessel make.
It's not. We don't. I'm not shouting. I'm a
You
gentleman.
want this girl? I don't even.
I'm a
know na two
gentleman.
different. Na two like this. I don't know.
I'm
Na
a
different.
gentleman. So you know, no be.
Gentle wetin?
Gentleman. I tell you, say this outfit go buy you.
How much is worth of the
Change.
outfit?
This is 250.
Hell.
Go buy everything wey you see carry. When they come 40, 30,
Christ.
10.
Jesus, na dey lie o. Na no like say like say na 100k. I really fuck up o. I
You should
really
not be
fuck up.
100k now.
I really fuck up.
This shoe, they wear awards. This shoe, they wear awards. Once, not they
Your
wear
mouth,
this.
your
I
mouth
don't even get up
dey
with you. This shoe now once they
na
wear.
fly dey even dey help me
This
dey
shoe
type.
wey see so now.
Fly dey
Na
help me
original
type.
fake.
Eh?
This shoe wey wear now na original fake.
Come see am. Come
See am out.
Go
As they say, this
go
shoe now just lift you.
narrow small page you see am.
Which
It's
na
okay, come this way.
They-
When you page
they
you
come
see am.
and
You
do
think say na
wey
be like
they
fake
sell
thing
original
wey
things.
you
You
wear.
dey
This
carry
thing
another
like
person go
wetin
dey buy
you
for
don-
one kind road side. They call another person page.
I
Well,
say you
this
should go and check it maybe you see the price.
I go check am and I go see am, but no be there you get am. You go roadside, go get her, you go to call a person name. You want
You think
you go say yes.
be like,
No.
Bro, go print novel with your ear, maybe like bungalow.
You know if you come, I dey write more books, but I dey tell you, I be motivational speaker.
Okay, hold on. Let's do something.
Yes, and I go advise you. I say make you wear wetin go cover
You
your
know
body.
if you advise me.
Let's do this.
Even-
Let's see if you can woo you and you accept. Sir, do a little bit of dance for us. As a dancer, I'm sure you like to show yourself. What song?
You just want him to dance, Nosferatu. And guy, you can't dance with native clothes on, bro. You can't dance with cotton, so you have to have like a hip hop clothes on to dance. What the fuck?
You want us to give you? Let's sing with our mouth.
Maybe they should give him Chiwe.
She never even know song.
Maybe they should give you praises and worship so that you help us to pray here.
Let's wait just like this.
We are coming
Pastor.
to date
So,
like this.
should I show you talent?
I'm a piano dance.
We do amapiano. Piano. Do you guys know it? Steadily. We have a musician here. Thank you, Jesus. 1, 2. Let me hold the mic for you. 1, 2, red. Amapiano. Piano is a rewrite and a dance. It's steadily. We are getting lit. I'm a piano, piano, is a rewrite and a dance. Steadily, we are getting lit. So, are you moved by? Are you moved by what you just saw?
He's giving Michael Jackson vibes. Don't move.
Come this way. Okay. Do you want to ask any of them again? Good. Let's ask this man here.
This boy.
This boy. Oh, this one a boy. Okay.
What it concern you? I was actually feeling you too, but I don't
When
know
she
why
came in, you now pop your balloon.
Sorry.
So why?
Oh, introduce yourself first.
Okay, I go by the name.
No
Joba
insult me, oh.
_
Because no insult me, oh.
This is the camera here.
Okay, I go by the name Ijoba _YP1. I'm actually a social media influencer. I have a very large audience on WhatsApp. I help you do your advertisement and all kinds of stuff you want to advertise. Then I'm also into electronics. That's what I do. Then I'm also a student. So basically, when you walked in, I actually didn't pop my balloon. Yes. The reason why I didn't bust my balloon was because I was actually feeling you when you entered. I'm a very big fan of big ass. You understand? So I was actually moved though. But you know this saying, dress how you are meant to be addressed. When you came in, you were looking all good, all nice. But you know this feeling of Nigerian mothers, there are some certain things they will actually see in you and they will not feel very comfortable with it. You understand? Tattoos equally have meaning, but they don't want to know the reason for you putting yours on your hand. You understand? Then I think you were not really confident in yourself. When you came in, you were actually shaking while introducing yourself. It was
Because I was shy because of you.
okay, you're shy because of me.
You're shy because of him.
Wait, okay, let's continue though. So I felt like you're not really confident in yourself, but as time went on, you picked up your vibe. Then, lastly, you were attacking everybody. Like, you get what you say, you know, people agree. You just they throw lines, everybody just collect gospels, that kind of thing. And you know, say, once talking to a guy, you have to still give that level of respect because respect is reciprocal. That's the more reason why you have to curtail your own words.
So make I leave them, make them they insult me like goat.
Don't say they go insult you like that now, but at least you get the kind of lines where they go through. You say if you know go to
Why?
listen and
I
you don't
don't
lock up.
insult you. I talk to you anyhow.
No, I'm actually giving my own line here.
Nah, bro, chill. You can't. I'm on her side, bro. You can't expect her to stay quiet while guys are just throwing insult at her. Nah, she has to defend herself. So yeah, nah, cut that bullshit out, bro. If you like her, so you like her. Don't say because she talks too much. Nah, if they are insulting you, bro, stand up for yourself and insult them back. On God.
You understand? But you're
This is a
actually
human.
cool anyways.
You are just all of now. I don't be bombastic.
I see they talk, you see they dish on another person. you know what, calm down, you see they dish on another person. So
Now not fair. Now they make mouth. See fine boy. Damn, over here. Who want marry you? Not the advice they give me.
So you're actually very cool, you understand? You're actually very cool. I like everything. Just that the rate at which you were not confident in yourself.
Man, you know, I'm
That's
sorry.
every other thing.
It's
So
fine.
peace.
It's fine. All right. It's okay. Let's get the next lady coming in. Please face the camera. So introduce yourself again.
I'm Flawless Hope _.
All right. So she's gonna go home single. Thank you so much for coming, darling. Make your way out. Thank you. Go. Say, oh, don't finish it. Welcome back, guys.
Hey, so this is what we're gonna do, man. We are gonna cut this video here. We're gonna end this video here, but I'll continue, and it will be like a different video. So if you wanna see the whole video, like the whole show, you're gonna have to check out the next video. You feel me? So on this side, I will say thank you guys for checking out this video, and I'll see you on the other side. So peace out, man. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. You feel me? On God.